A major accident had occurred on the Pynursla-Shillong highway on the 2nd of September 2021 near LAITLYNKKOT village in East KHASI Hills, where a Maruti Swift that was hit by an NHIDCL dumper was witnessed to be hanging by a thread from falling into a sheer precipice. It may be reminded that major earth carving work is ongoing on the Shillong-Dawki highway. The driver and front seat passenger sustained minor injuries, while passengers in the back seat suffered major injuries and have been taken to the hospital. The accident had caused hundreds of vehicles to be stranded on the highway.